Today is the day. Oh my God, today is the day. And I'm taking you along.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in my channel, I do DIYs. But guess what? Today is the day for Mackenzie Child's Artisan Festival, and I am super excited about it. And you guys all know, if you follow me, that, you know, I'm gonna bring you here because there's so many of you who can't make it. I was so blessed to have met some absolutely amazing viewers. It was so beautiful to see faces that I can match a face to the name. It was a wonderful experience for me, and I want to thank these beautiful ladies.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out.
They park on the grass, and but this side over here is already full, and now we're gonna line up to go get our tickets. Woohoo.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take. I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you'll never see if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. dancing all night long. Oh, won't you come with me? Singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight, I can take you.
So we just did a little shopping, and now we're putting that in the car, and now we're going back to do a little bit more shopping. We can't carry it all in one shot, but I did do my painting, and I painted a platter. Guys, I can't wait to show you this platter. I think is going to come out absolutely gorgeous, but the most important part for me is not the platter itself, is the fact that I did it. And if you, like I always say, if you ever have this opportunity, I strongly encourage you to do it, because it's so much fun. And the fact that you have an original, and the fact that you have an original Mackenzie Childs and that you did it yourself, I'm telling you, that's free and priceless.
Till you entered my door, and from that moment I knew that a home is whatever you choose. That's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you missed.
So that's it for now, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, share the video, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when and never ever I wish I did. Thank you for spending some time with me. Have an amazing week. I love you guys.